Hey guys, Brian here with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing your Nerf Rails on your Ranger 1500 XD. For the installation of these Nerf Rails, there's no drilling required. You will have to remove a couple factory T40 bolts and your factory step plate. In preparation for installing your Nerf Rails, you're going to remove the T40 Torx located here at the very bottom of your door seal. You'll also need to remove the T40 body bolts on the underside of your skid plate to allow for the mounting of the Nerf Rails. The first step in your installation process, you'll mount your rear step plate to the unit using two of the M6 Torx bolts. When you're fastening your rear step plate to the unit, make sure and keep it loose. All the fasteners you'll want to have loose until everything is started, and then you'll tighten it again. With the help of a friend, you'll place the lower portion of the Nerf Rail under the unit and thread your bolts in through the skid plate. With the lower portion of the Nerf Rail loosely installed, you'll place the upper portion on top and feed your fasteners through the holes. Any fastener that doesn't go into the body, you'll have a nylon lock nut to put on the underside. For your upper bolts, you won't use a lock nut because you'll be going into a threaded hole in the frame. Once all your bolts are loosely fastened, you'll go back through, tighten all of them, you're ready to hit the trails.